What time are you normally open?
We run a open access drop-in on both campuses, and it's open every day between 12 and 2.
All right. Are you easily accessible for the students in Bridgend College?
We are accessible at all times during the college day, 9 to 5. You can get us on Google Chat, text message, phone calls, emails, and also you can just come to the drop-in and see us as well. You can also talk to your tutors and they will get in touch with us and we'll come to you if need be.
What do you provide for people, like students?
It's handled on a case-by-case basis, so it essentially requires us to meet with the student, see what their needs are, and then put in the appropriate support. So that support can range from anything from contraception, sanitary projects, information, advice and guidance, access to counselling, one-to-one check-ins every week, just as a standard. But then if their needs breaks the threshold of what we regard as safeguarding, then that will mean bringing in external agencies like your social services, the police, family support, early help, local authority stuff. If we can't deal with it in-house, then we'll go to an outside agency and bring them in. So if we talk about homelessness, there's like Clanmai, drugs, there's an agency called Barod. So every single thing that you can come up against, we can either deal with it ourselves or we can bring in someone outside to deal with it.
All right. Wow.
Diolch yn fawr.